Okay, so we're out. See Boston where come on from railway replacement. So I am officially 20 minutes late for work, but I reached out and I got a chance to sit down a little bit extra and rest my foot them and thing. So as me say, count your blessings in every situation. Backside, you know. Count your blessings in every situation because there is always a good. There's always something positive that you can find in every situation. Yeah. So, mercy, yeah. Some situations you won't find good in it, but you know, try to find a positive spin on life anyhow. So see them. This is the station I would have come out of, but I broke, so we'd have to get a bus to carry from my station. Anyways, guys, I hope you have a good day. Wanna hear how my wind did? So, no. So, yeah. My gone because something out here. See. You want plants? I'm trying to shake less, guys. And see some improve. Okay, so it's a chargeable offense here. You would have to pay £50 if you don't have your mask on in a shop, any shop. Yeah. If you don't, you have to pay £50. So yeah, that's why everybody mask up. Alright, Market Street. Get all your needs over there, so and thing. So buy something. Hey guys, so I'm at work. I'm in the locker room. Yeah, silly hats. Oh my God. Barely. Lady come in as me go talk. So me have to lock it off. Come in and she take me in here and talk to myself. So anywho. So as I said, guys, I fixed my hair down here, so in like a low bun when I'm starting work, but when I'm on the train I put it up here, so because I don't want it touching up the seats and that. Ready? I want that for my heart. The yogurt, that's right. Oh no. The yogurt dash up on my heart. What a disaster. Vicks. No, everything I own today. The yogurt dash up on my hat. What am I supposed to do with this now? Oh, dear. It look bad. Can't do this. Alright, so I carry it in the bathroom to wash it out. So, good now. Hey guys, so I was just saying in the video that I find that roadworks here are better than Jamaica because once they have the barricades there, they have the temporary stoplights and not just a man stand up at 11 stop and go. They have the barricades around the roadworks and then they cannot leave until they clear the whole thing. No dust, no stone, no nothing. They have to clear it up and fix back the road. Unlike in Jamaica where it takes weeks, months, and maybe never gets fixed, which we need to improve on. But yeah, that's what I was saying. But the audio was so low that you couldn't hear me. So I'm doing this voiceover. Please remember to like the video if you like it. Encouragement sweeten labor. So and share it with your friends, guys. Thanks for watching. Alright, back to watching. Okay guys, reach my station now. I am going home. So okay guys, so as I was saying, I'm on my way home. I'm actually going to go and get a few things on the road first. And then I might take you along with me. But anyways, on to the story about me being late for work today. So, as I said before, the rail broke. The track, yeah, the track out there, it broke, and I was late for work by half an hour because instead of getting the train to continue on my journey, I had to get a replacement bus, and the rail replacement bus took a longer while than the train would have taken. So I got to work, and I tried to email them. It never go through. Try to call, they're not taking incoming calls at the moment because of this whole COVID thing. I tried to call my manager directly. Look like their phone now work. I tried to text, the message never go through. So I think something wrong with our phone or something. So I couldn't tell them that I'm going to be late. But as soon as I got there, I clock in, and then I go to PNC, HR. I go to them and let them know the reason why I was late and all of that, and they were like, "Alright, cool." So then just nothing, they just like, "Alright, cool, it wasn't your fault." So me still want my hours. So what me for do? Stay the extra half an hour when my shift done. So they said yes, that's okay. So yeah, me did get back my time. Cause me think me don't lose the time now, but I got back the time, and I'm on my way home now. Well, I'll get a couple things and then go home. Because I'm coming to Jamaica next week, guys. So by the time you see this, I'm probably already there. Or maybe, I don't know, probably, maybe, hopefully, yeah. Why this keep on a charm? Anyways, yeah. So that's how that worked out. I'll probably check in again when I get to my destination and show no I go on in the thing. Alright, so I'm in this car by myself. Well, this car on the train. So, and the AC a kick, so it feel good. Like today's a really hot day. It don't look like. Okay guys, so I chose to come this direction, and as you can see, there's like bare people walking go down the road on both sides. So the people them on the next side I come up, and my side everybody I go down. So apparently there's no buses running because something happened in Brixton, and nobody don't know. I don't know why I'm still a walk towards it. But the people that where I come from Brixton are run, so I guess it's okay. But anyways, my question now is, how am I going to reach back home, because no buses are running this way. So I don't know. I'm see helicopter in the air and bear things, ambulance and all sorts of paths. So I wonder how I go on. But I'm going that way, so I guess I'll find out sooner or later. I might not come back because my battery are dead. So soon when I reach home, maybe. I don't know. Alright guys, so as you can see, all of the buses park up. Nobody now going away. But I checked the news a while ago on my walk. Because a long time, about 20 minutes on my walk. I almost reached there, right down this window. But anyways, it was just a protest. Look like it get out of hand or something, I don't know. But see, helicopter circle, and yeah, so I guess the protest is finished now, but they might try to get rid of the people in out of the area. So yeah, and nothing too serious, nothing too tough. So sooner or later I go buy me 2 things and go home before I get caught up in a people problem. Guys, Emancipation Day celebration. And see people like crumbs. This is nice. Them social distancing. Out here doing their things. Guys, the protest are going down there, so